Hi everyone, welcome to the first in my series of analysis videos that we're going to try. Now, I do get asked all the time about this junction and that junction and what I think, and it's really difficult to answer every single comment that people put out there. It would be much easier if I actually saw these junctions and these things. Now, I'm going to run a few little clips of my own to start off with, and then we're going to see whether we can get you guys involved. Now, what you can do, if you would, is send us any clips that you'd like me to take a little look at, either by email or through Instagram, and I'll put the links up in the top corner of the screen, and I'll put them in the description at the end. And what I'll do, each time I do one of these videos, I'll pick the best few little videos and clips, and we'll go through them. Now, let's start off with this one. This happened to me the other morning, and it's quite a scary cyclist. That's all I'm going to say. So, what have we got? We've got morning rush hour, weather conditions are perfect, maybe a little bit bright, and we're on one of the most famous roads in the city. Extra team point for anyone who can tell me, who doesn't live in the city, where we are.
Do you know if it's something I'm eating or I don't know? No idea.
I tend to get sort of like bloated and then full up. So you going around that? Oh my word. Who's more stupid there? What do you think?
So, that's the clip in real time. What's your initial thoughts? Who's to blame? So, here we go again, and the cyclist is on top of the hill and not moving. This next little segment tells you a lot that the cyclist could be a big problem a bit further up. The big wobble out into the middle of the road as he was in the wrong gear to start off on that hill means he's a danger. Now we can see the other problem road user. Let's have a look on how early the car signals its intentions. As we can see, it's quite early. But if I was the cyclist, there's no way in the world that I would overtake this vehicle with a signal on. This for me is the most critical point in the whole situation. The cyclist has decided to overtake even though the car's obviously not seen them and starting to pull out. And unfortunately, the natural reaction of steering away from danger doesn't do the cyclist any favours. And it's an utter stroke of luck that the dozy driver actually sees him in the end and stops. And then, as if he hasn't had enough excitement, he rides straight in front of the white car. Wow. This white car for me is the only one who deserves any credit.
Yeah, but you see the bike after?
Yeah.
We got hit by the oncoming
Yeah,
car.
they were both as stupid as each other. What should the bike have done differently when he saw the car's indicator?
Probably slapped down.
Yeah, what was the key that the car had probably not seen him as well?
Carry on time. Wow.
Yeah, it kept on going. Yeah, you're exactly right, mate. Absolute spot on. So what do you think caused the car driver to miss him then?
Probably being in a blind spot, isn't it? Kind of was.
Probably from where he was, he probably maybe just looked in maybe a middle mirror and he was stuck behind one of his pillars in the back window. So that's why it's important to check all of them, including your blind spot, and then keep watching as you do things as well. Because if the driver had kept an eye on, especially his side mirror, as he's moving out, would you seen him?
And the answer to that question is undoubtedly yes. For me, anyone who drives around in a metal box needs to look out for cyclists. If there's ever an accident between a car and a cyclist, the cyclist ain't gonna win. So what's your thoughts on that one? Did I pick out the same sort of things as you would? Now, I don't expect everyone to have their own same opinion. It would be pretty boring if that was the case. But if you can, leave us your thoughts in the comments, because honestly, the comments of my subscribers are really important to everything that I do. Honestly, I've learned so much and picked up new ways of thinking and new ways of dealing with these situations that then I can pass on to everyone. So let us know what you think, and thanks for watching.